So I've had a few people ask me about how I do my twists, so I thought I'd show you today. They usually last a few days to a week max, but I don't really leave it that long. I leave it literally a few days. I would leave my hair like this because I actually kind of like it, but I thought I would do twists just to save me a few days of faffing with my hair basically. So I've already washed it. I use Head and Shoulders to wash it just because I suffer with dandruff and it is still quite dry. People with afro hair will know that your hair gets dry rather than greasy. Head and Shoulders is the first shampoo I use. I've got the 2-in-1 because my hair needs more conditioner anyway. I use I think it's Oars. Yeah, Oars shampoo that has no sulfates, no parabens or whatever it's called, but basically all the stuff that damages your hair, it doesn't have in it. And then usually I use a deep conditioner. I didn't today, so basically usually like last time I washed it I did a big wash, so I used the same 2 shampoos. Then I used a hair mask which was supposed to be for hair that had been dyed, like had colour on it, but I don't mind the extra protein anyway in my hair. So I had that hair mask and then I used my leave-in conditioner as well. So obviously I didn't need both, so I'm still using the leave-in conditioner. My hair is still damp, but I'm just going to show you how I section it out and like what I do basically to twist it. So to section it out, I usually focus on being really particular with my centre parting and splitting it into 4. So usually I use water and spray my hair just to make it more damp and like basically more manageable. I'm also using the Oars Detangler spray, which I showed earlier, and as well hair oil that is supposed to be for kids, but you know what, I'm still a kid, it's fine. So I basically section it out into 4, as you can see, and I spray and brush each section, casually on Snapchat. So I spray each section with water and the detangler, then I brush it through and try and section it out to the size of the twist that I want. So at the back I usually do 2 twists per section I section out, if that makes sense. Once I've done that, I usually put in the leave-in conditioner and the twist gel, just to make sure that there's a lot of moisture locked into each of the twists. So the front I section out a bit differently. I section it out from the side up until the middle rather than from the back to the front like I do at the back. I'm not sure if that made sense. And I do this just because I like the front half of my hair to be really neat, because that's what I'm going to see and that's what is going to be framing my face as well. So it's really simple to twist. You literally take 2 strands of hair and twist it, and that's literally it. As long as you've got the right products, then it means that it should hold. For the front, I like to do a middle parting. That's what suits me anyway. You can do a side parting, obviously. I also leave enough to be able to have like a small fringe. I don't even want to call it a fringe. It's basically 2 strands of hair just that I can leave out that are shorter than the rest, that I can leave out when I put my hair up as well, just because I prefer it. So you can see here, like, even though it seems like a long piece of hair, it will shrink up gradually to then be a little fringe. So this is my finished twist look, and I hope this is helpful for you to see that you can do it at home. That's simple. It took me about, I'd say, an hour to do, purely because I was trying to film it as well, which is different, and I parted it a bit better than I normally do, because I usually just sort of like use my finger, like I use my comb to part it in 4, like cleanly, and then the back I usually like part with my finger like a lot
sloppier, and the front I do tend to part it, but I was really particular today, so it actually took longer. Plus I was using different products than what I normally use. I have 2 products that I used to use for my twists, so I was using a different one today, which I actually like better because it makes my twists a bit fatter. So I like volume a bit more, but usually there's, like, I've done them before and it's taken me 2 hours because I did smaller twists and still with a fringe, but I had like 2 fringes, but it just and parting completely, so it was a bit more faff. But today I was doing big twists, and yeah, like I said, it took about an hour, but I'm really happy with them and they should last a few days. So if you want to see more like hair content, or yeah, just more hair content, then let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. Bye guys!